My first slime pet peeve is when they make the slime look bigger than it actually is. Like, it's tiny. This one's pretty much self-explanatory. When it's not under the camera, like, it's not that hard to put it directly underneath the camera. So, like, move it or don't record. So, yeah. When they don't know how to do a swirl effect, like, it's not that hard. Learn. Like, seriously, bro. This is so annoying when they do this. Like, I've seen it before. It's like, ugh, stop it. Get some help. Okay, guys, so here's my crystal clear slime. When they say their
look at how clear it is. Look, I bet if I stick my finger in it.
Oh my gosh, look at that. You can see my finger. Look, this is crystal clear. Crystal clear. So look at the slime. Noise. Look at how amazing it is. Like, don't you just love it? Shut up, Teddy. Look at it. Look at it. I said to shut. Get out of my room. Oh, sorry about that. Yes, look at it. Ooh. When they say their slime is stretchy, but it just breaks. See, look at how stretchy my slime is, guys. I'm gonna make this swirl effect. Ready? Ta-da!
Don't you buy me now.
When they speed it up and put music so you can't hear the actual slime.
Your lips on my lips. That's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spend so much cheer. I should be playing.
That was just my little sketch, because I just thought you guys might like it. And remember, smile, because you're beautiful. Bye, guys.